I'm Eddie Field, and in this episode of Field Guided DIY, I'm going to introduce you to the Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt dual-function inflator deflator. Let's dive in. Does not come with 18-volt battery. However, it comes with the inflator deflator, as well as registration and instructions. You insert the Ryobi 1 Plus battery as in any other tool. It catches on both sides. To release, simply depress on both sides of the battery pack. This is your on-off or your mode that activates it and turns it on. When you're inflating, this is the start-stop. This is to increase your pressure setting. You hold it down and it'll go up in increments. Hold it to power it off. It comes with various nozzles, like athletic equipment nozzle or pull toy nozzle. Here is the hose. Has a very neat design to wind on and wind off. Always, 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 when you're done with it, wind it back on and lock it in place. When the mode is pointing to the tire, that's for car tire inflation. When it points this direction, it's for inflatable bed. That's whether or not you use this jet or this jet. It is strong enough for car tire inflation. For that, set the mode pointing to car tire inflation, set your pressure. Usually 32 or 34 psi. Take off your hose. Screw it onto the nozzle of your car tire.
Valve stem.
And hit the start button. It will automatically read out the current pressure of your tire. And it cuts off when it reaches pressure. Now the air mattress hose and nozzle is a bit difficult to get off. What you have to do is lift up on both ends at the same time. It sits in a groove here. And then you can remove it, lock it in place. Have the mode pointed to the air mattress side and hit start. It comes with a removable attachment based on the air mattress nozzle. When you're done, hold the button in, power it off, and always return your air nozzle and hose back in position. Then for deflation, when you're done with the air mattress, again pop out the hose, slap it on the side, and this becomes a vacuum. Turn the mode, air mattress, start. And we're sucking in until your mattress is completely empty. So there you have it, the Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt dual function inflator deflator. For more Ryobi tools instructions, click the image on your screen now.